Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
High Court. High Court is the highest court of the state. So, High Court, each state has one High Court. Any judgment given by the High Court should be followed by all other states of the all other courts of the state. Supreme Court and High Court are the courts of appeal. They do not hold any trial prima facie. They are mainly the courts of appeal.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about